If you've ever looked at beautiful embroidery and thought, there's no way I can make that, this is proof that you're probably overthinking it. In this design, we're creating these tiny red hanging flowers that look complicated at first glance, but the process is surprisingly simple. Start by bringing the red thread through the fabric and make small repeated stitches, working from the stem outward. One by one, each little flower begins to form. It doesn't look like much in the beginning, and honestly, there are moments where it just feels like you're repeating the same step over and over again. But that's the part most beginners don't realize. Embroidery isn't about making one perfect stitch, it's about trusting the process. You keep placing the tiny red details, following the curve of the branch, and slowly the empty space starts filling with life. Then when you step back and look at the whole piece, you suddenly notice how all those little stitches have transformed into a delicate floral arrangement. Add the green leaves for contrast, tidy up the final details, and the design comes together beautifully. The funny thing is, what once looked impossible was really just a series of simple stitches repeated with patience. And somehow, thread and fabric turned into art.